When I first applied for BArch here at Nitte School of Architecture, Planning and Design, I honestly wasn't sure what learning would feel like. But when you start, you do realize that architecture is something you learn by doing.
Most days we are working on projects, sketching ideas, making models, testing forms, and yes, even walking through our own designs using VR.
I chose B-Plan because I've always been curious about how cities are designed, why some neighborhood feels organized and others don't. Here, we get to study that.
We work a lot with GIS, transport studies, land use mapping, but we also go out for surveys, talking to people and seeing how a city behaves.
I joined BDEF because I've always liked the idea of designing products, but I didn't want to restrict myself to just one side of design. Here, we try a bit of everything.
One week we are modeling in clay, the next we are working on digital prototypes or building something new with the laser cutters. There's always a new way to express an idea.
One thing we all agree on is that NSAPD gives you the space to grow and figure out who you truly want to become.
And no matter which program you're in, you are always surrounded by people who are learning, building, planning, creating. At NSAPD, everyone's doing something interesting.
I think that's what makes this place so special. You get to learn your own craft, but you're also constantly inspired by what others are doing.
If you want to build spaces
or understand cities
or create meaningful experiences,
NSAPD is the place to start.